Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I am explaining how you can use your EMA for the OTC market and for your trading journey, and how you can predict a candle by using a simple EMA method. In this video, we will discuss trend trades as well as retracement trades. So let's start our video without wasting any time. Those who are new here can join us. The link is available in the description, so go and check it out. Let's move on to the video without wasting any time. So basically, when the candle hits the moving average, you can proceed in the opposite direction of the trend. Here you can see that the candle was closing above the moving average. You can proceed in the direction of the trend. Okay, you can see there is an uptrend, and you can place a trade for an upside move, and it's a win. The same thing here. You can see that the candle closed above the moving average, so you can proceed for the upside move. Here also you can see an upside move. So this is how you can predict your candle for a trend direction trade. Now, let me explain how you can take a retracement trade as well. Okay, you can see here that the candles were breaking the moving average. After that, you can see a retracement, and then you can go for the downside move. So this is how you can take a retracement trade by using a simple moving average method. Okay, so let me share some live examples. If I go here, you can see that the candle was breaking the moving average. At that time, you can see there was a green candle, which means it was a retracement candle. After that, you can proceed for the downside move. So this is how you can take a retracement trade. Okay, I got a retracement trade here, and I'm proceeding for the downside move. You can see that the candle was breaking the moving average. After that, you can see a green candle that was taking resistance from the moving average, so I am placing a trade for the downside move. Okay, so this is called a retracement trade. You can see that when the candle breaks the moving average, after that, you can see a retracement candle, and then you can proceed in the same direction. So let's see how our trade goes. It was going very well. Okay, this was an OTC market trade, so maybe you can see some errors, but you can see that the candle had already closed as a red candle here. There were only a few seconds left, and our trade was also a win. So this is how you can take a retracement trade. As for trend trades, I have already explained them in the previous video, so you can check it out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts or want me to cover any particular topic, you can comment down below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.